we have quite a bit of a gap when it comes to snowfall, and you can even see some of that clearing too over the Grand Rapids area. Still, Holland, you're getting hit by this band that's just been trailing its way on throughout much of this morning, another that's making its way down into Van Buren County. So throughout the rest of the day, still going to be seeing a bit more lake effect, but it does taper off into the afternoon and evening. Beyond that, though, we have greater impacts into this weekend. Starting to see snow picking up Saturday morning, but it's not until about 3 p.m. that we start to see the bulk of this system snow making its way into the Midwest and into West Michigan. With that being said, this does look like it's going to be pretty widespread and also heavy at times, lasting with us into Saturday night and continuing into Sunday morning. This does look to be heavy enough at times that we're going to be expecting some pretty significant totals out of this. By about 9 o'clock, the system snow moves out, replaced by still a little bit of lake effect throughout the rest of the day, but the greatest impact from that system snow between 3 p.m. tomorrow and 9 a.m. Sunday. Beyond that, looking a bit drier into Sunday night and continuing that way into Monday. How much snow are we expecting, though? Quite a bit of it. It does look like many areas could be seeing between about 4 to 8 inches north of I-96. South of I-96, though, I do think that we could still end up seeing between about 8 to 10 inches in some areas, possibly even a bit more than that when all is said and done because of that lake effect that we're still going to be expecting throughout the rest of our Sunday.